Hi guys, with another video. Previous video I showed that this is the juice maker, and I had a problem and I didn't know what to do. And even though I didn't know the brand name, then I find out that brand name is as you see here. And what is the Jack's Lalanne? Anyway, juice maker. And why it doesn't work, I understand. Look, there is a hole here. I find out that there is a hole here, and this also trash collector. Let me show you guys. This is the one. You just put in here, right? There is something there, right here. Right. Some little plastic piece is broken. So I just make the hole now there, as you see. See, there is a hole. I just make it exactly the place, right here. And why it doesn't? There is some plastic. Now I'm gonna use the pan. Pan inside there is a plastic. See, as you see, right there. If I put it inside, right there, look, it's gonna work. Like pushing. Oh, let me open it. Okay, let me open it. Okay, now, do you see the? Let me see what happened. Oh, I have to close first. Hold on a minute. Okay, this is the safety, I think. Oh, let me see. See, it's working. This is the helps when you put the trash collector underneath. That plastic, small plastic, which means it's broken from here, and touching that area, that it's ready to work. It says that ready to work, and then see here the click. Yeah, then just works. So I find that problem. A solution is that I'm gonna use this plastic. What I did, I'd hold this plastic from that exactly the what is broken right here, and another screw I had it here. I just prepared that screw, and let me see where is it now. Let me hold on a minute. Hold on a minute. Okay, this is the small screw that I find right there. Right there. It's not clear, but this is the screw. Oh, okay, this is the screw what I did. As you see, I just make it smaller from here. And from here too, I got little bit here, from a little bit here. Why I got that? Because it's this inside. I'm gonna put the screw from the inside. Where is the broken piece? And then after that I will put this the pan plastic thing. So like it's screwing. This see? Then I will cut a little bit plastic from here. Then that's it. Let's go ahead and try. This is the screw. Normal screw. I mean, it's a smaller one. This is the pan. And this is the inside of the pan. Okay. Let's go ahead and put it. Hold on. Let's go ahead and put it. And I have a tweezer like this. And I just want to hold it from bottom right there. Alright, as you see. Then this is the guy that from inside. Okay, here the hole. Let's see what is the hole. Okay, yeah, right there. And go ahead and all the way end of the hole. Maybe you cannot see clearly, but it should be around here. Come on. Let me see. Yeah, I made a hole, but it's right there, as you see. Look, you have to put the screw from inside. This is a harder way that I did. There's always simple things, but yeah, this is gonna take little time, but it's gonna be forever. Yeah, hold on. Right here. Okay, right there. Just push for it. It came back. Okay. All right. One moment. Yeah, I just put a little bit inside. This is the file that just press on top of that. Just press it. That it can go out. See, this is the way it should be. Do you see, like right there, and turn it right there, as you see, right? The screw came off, and let's tight this plastic one. Also, you can put the glue, of course. That is gonna be better. Yeah. Alrighty. This is the way it is. Now what we're gonna do, I just measure the inside of this hole right there. This much it should go inside. What we're gonna do, go ahead and I'm gonna cut it. Hold it. Let me get the cutter. Okay, here's the cutter. And let's cut from here a little longer. Okay, this is the measurement, that how much is gonna go inside. As you see, this is too much. What we're gonna do, cut it here. All right, now this much is gonna be enough right there. So this is then just what you do, just hold on, let me adjust. You put just underneath, and it goes whole. Let's see. Then what you do, this close that, and let's see, hold on. Okay, now it's collected. Okay, now let's do it. As you see, the problem is solved. It's so simple, but little it takes time. Or you're gonna with that screw, when you're trying to do that, it takes time. You have to make it smaller a little bit both way, and you have to make a hole. Of course, it's gonna take time, but what is this? It is strong. Even though if you can put the little glue while you screwing, but I don't need it. So strong, because there is a metal inside. It's not gonna break. It's not gonna do anything. So let's try again. Look at this. Just push it until, as you see the click, and then go ahead. Here you are. Fantastico. I hope you like this video. I hope you understand this idea. If you have a problem with anything, I would like to help you guys. And as you see, what I used one screw. I hold it. This hole exactly was the plastic broken. and I put the screw there and small screw, and then after that, as I show you that it's a pan, inside the pan there is a plastic, so I just put it as you see before. So simple, and here you are, your machine is working condition. All right, thank you for watching, and see you soon with the another video. Thank you, bye.